Every Tuesday, I put out a new video for guitarists who play and record mainly at home and who like to tinker with guitars, maybe build some or upgrade some. So if that's you, you've come to the right place. I myself am in the process of learning how to build guitars, mainly through kits and partscasters, that kind of thing. So if that interests you, you can tag along on the journey and maybe see how I'm going to mess up a few things and laugh at me along the way. That's fine. I do have about 30 years of experience playing guitar, but that's completely different. Though I've played for a while, I'm not exactly a guitar virtuoso. So guitar lessons is not the focus of this channel. I did do some gigs in my younger days before all this gray came in, and I'll share some tips probably along the way. I'll also be doing some gear reviews and some demos. I am happy to share my experience and to try out more affordable gear for those of us out there who aren't rich enough to buy top of the line of everything. Once again, welcome to Guitar Overdrive. I hope you'll subscribe, maybe hit the bell, and come along.